Hey guys, it's Matt with Doug Andrus Distributing. Today we're going to be talking about battery shutoff switches. Not too difficult, but each model and make of truck has a little bit different battery shutoff, at least where it is. And there are a few trucks that sneak through that didn't have a battery shutoff, so we're going to show you where they are. And if your truck happens to not have one, you won't see it there. You can always give me a call and ask about it. But yeah, we do have a few that sneak through in the ordering process that didn't come with one. So basically the battery shutoff switch disconnects the power from your batteries to your cab. So we ask that you use that anytime when you have the truck parked, I would say for more than a day. If you're going to be out of the truck for more than a day, if you're here, going home, you know, that kind of thing, go ahead and just shut it off, and that will keep your batteries from going dead. If it's sitting for a long time, your batteries can still go flat, but it will at least slow that process down quite a bit. There's three main different types of battery shutoff switches, and we'll go through each one. The first we'll start with is the Peterbilt 579, and that's our reefer setup. So Fleet 1, Peterbilt 579. So let's go ahead and take a look at where it is and how it works. So guys, we're here at that Peterbilt 579 Fleet 1 truck. So we're behind the cab here. And the battery shutoff switch is right next to your fuel tank on the driver's side. And it's this little box right here. You'll see there's a rocker switch there. And it's going to always be in that middle position, and then if you press it down, batteries, you shut off, and if you click it back up, everything will come back on. So pretty simple, pretty easy to use, and like I said, please use that if you're going to be sitting. So now we're going to look at the Freightliner Cascadia. The nice thing about the Cascadia is all the switches really well marked, easy to see. It's just on the inside of the driver door here, so we'll go ahead and open that. And then you can see it's right on the floor next to your seat. It's a big thick switch. You can see off and on. So right now this is off. And then if you want to turn it on, just click it. So this one, I like where the Freightliner did it because it protects all of the wiring and everything. All the connections are up underneath the cab. And so it protects it a little more from corrosion and that kind of stuff. So yeah. All right guys, so we're gonna look at one more truck, our Peterbilt Heavy Haul 579. I'm gonna show you this battery shutoff switch. It's a little different than the other Peterbilt 579. Usually, if you look here, so this one's mounted right on the battery box. Most oftentimes you'll find it either here or right here on the frame, but it'll be this T-handle. Some of them are metal, some of them are black plastic, but the results are the same. Turn it on and off that way. And this is the style that you have to kind of keep an eye on because it's mounted so low and outside the cab. It can get corroded fairly quickly, and then you could start having issues with not being able to get power through there. And then you can start having what you think are battery issues, but really it's just those cables. So that's just a quick tutorial about battery shutoff switches. Please use them. Like I said, if you're going to be out of your truck for more than a day, I would strongly advise you to go ahead and shut them off. And then just remember where they are and what they do. Thanks.